Before we hook up the navigation, let's actually add a bit of styling to this, and actually so we can display the products on our screen because we have nothing. So it'd be quite depressing to actually navigate to that page and you see this. Ugh, come on, you just leave the site in like a second. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna extract our data here, extract our data. And again, the way we can do it is say const. Well, let's take a look at the data again. Const log data. Okay, so it's data dot products dot data again, and it's an array with one item and where we have our data in there. Okay, so again, we can extract it like this. We can say const, and we can get the title, the description, and the image from data.products.data. And again, it's one item in the array, so we can just say 0 there, dot attributes, and that's gonna be it. Okay, so let's take a look again. Data products, data attributes. Data products, data 0 attributes, and then there we have price, image, description, etc., etc. And I'm pulling it out like that. Okay, so let's go down here, image, source, and then title. Let's do title first, see if it works. Just add title in there. Yeah, underground snacks, lovely. And description is gonna be description, like that. And then here for the image source, again, we do have to go a bit deep in here, say image, data, attributes, formats, medium. We'll get the medium size because it's a bit higher quality, URL. And here we're just gonna add the title for our alt text. Yay, look at that, we have everything displaying, really cool. Okay, let's style this up as well. So let's go over to styles and create a new file called product.details.js. All right, and let's just create a couple here. Let's say import styled from styled components. Added some styling here. Again, you can kind of copy paste this. It's nothing interesting. Details style. It's gonna be a style div. I'm just gonna add a display flex, justify content space between, and a margin top of 5 rem. I'll take all the images and give it a width of 40%. So let's import this. Let's go here to the top and say import detail style from /style/product details. Perfect. So here, take the detail style, take the stop, and replace it like that. Hit save. All right, so we're just basically putting the content on that side, and that's it. Cool. Now this looks not good at all, but don't worry, we'll fix that. I think I missed a div here. Yeah, let's take this div here. See, we have the title and description, and just take this last part and wrap it around like that. All right, so I just have the H3 and the P laying out here in the middle of nowhere, and then we have the div in here. So that way, the content here is not gonna display flex. Now it's still doing it. Why is it doing it? It shouldn't. Let me do a restart of this. See if that fixes it. No, it's not. Maybe I have my thing wrong here. So detail style, we have our image. We have this big div here. Okay, we'll see. We'll fix it in just a bit in case it doesn't work. Let's keep moving on. We'll go here and do an export const product info as well. Call this a style div. And in here, we'll do a width of 40% again, and a button that has a font size of 1 rem, a font weight of medium, add a bit of padding to it, 0.5 rem and 1 rem. So this affects the top and bottom, this the left and right, and the cursor of pointer to it. All right, let's import this as well. Just go here to the top, comma, add that, take this product info and replace this like that. Let's take a look. There we go. So we are making progress just like that. Very cool. Oh, I think everything is fine actually. I think this add to cart is what I want to come down here. I think that's my mistake. Yeah, let's go back here. Just take this add to cart and drop it in the product info right above there. I think that's gonna make it look nice. Yeah, there we go. So that's what I want. Cool. All right, let's make one or two more. Let's head over to product details. So we have our product info. And now let's do the quantity section. Export const quantity. We're gonna make another style div. We're gonna add a display flex, align item center, a bit of margin of 1 rem and 0 rem. And then we're just gonna style up the buttons a bit. Our button is gonna be background of transparent, border of none, display of flex, font size of 1.5 rem. And we're gonna get the p tags, add a width to it, and a text align of center. It's just boring styling. There's nothing interesting in this, I promise you. You can make it and style it any way you want. Oh, we need to import it. You're not gonna see it yet. And I'm gonna copy over something here. We're gonna do a span of color var. It's gonna be secondary. I'm gonna copy over this color for our SVG because we're gonna replace these buttons and we're not gonna have plus and minus in there. We're gonna have actual symbols. Okay. And then I'll have another one here. I'll just copy paste it over. It's gonna be export const by, and this is gonna be a styled button. Okay, we're gonna replace the actual button with the style. So width 100, background, color white, and some font weight to it. So let's import these two. So quantity and by up here in our slug. Quantity and by. Okay, let's replace these divs. So here, this one. And then this button with the buy button. And hit save. Let's take a look. Ooh, really cool. This looks ugly. So let's also fix that. We'll close this up and we'll install a package called React Icons. Lots of lovely icons, highly recommend it. React Icons, you can go here and search literally anything you want. Plus symbol, look at that. Look at all the options you have. You can click on it and it's gonna copy it. And look at that, that's the code for it. So if you wanna use it, all you have to do, let's run npm run dev again. I found two really nice ones. I think one is called AI fill plus circle. This is the one I found. So AI fill plus circle. So to import it, we just say import AI fill plus circle. And there is also another one called minus. So AI fill minus circle from React Icons dash AI. All right, that's the way we import it. So to actually use it, we'll go here to the button. And rather than saying plus here, we'll just add this icon like that. And here, same thing. We'll just paste that in there and just replace this with minus and hit save. I think it should be the other way. This one should be minus. And this one should be plus. Hit save. Let's see. Look at that. Awesome. There we go. That's essentially our details page right there. Let's try to navigate to another one, see if it works. Let's try hooded denim jacket. So /product/hooded denim jacket. And look at that. Lovely. So in the next episode, we are gonna learn how to click on these and actually navigate over there, and then navigate back as well without actually messing with the URL. But that's some styling done there. If you don't want to bother with this, feel free to just get the final code and copy paste over the styled components, and you'll be good to go. So anyway, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.